Using Postmates gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy food delivery services without using your credit card. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Obtain your gift card. Make sure you have your Postmates gift card in hand. This could be a physical card or a digital code sent to you via email or text. Step 2. Open the Postmates app or website. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device or visit the Postmates website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on your profile icon or the menu button. On the website, look for your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 4. Add your gift card. Find the option to add a payment method or gift card. Enter the gift card code exactly as it appears, ensuring there are no typos. Follow any prompts to complete the addition. Step 5. Start ordering. Once your gift card is successfully added, you can start ordering. The total amount of your order will be deducted from your gift card balance before charging any remaining amount to your primary payment method if necessary. Enjoy your meals with the convenience of your gift card.